Hi everyone, my name is Maria Paula. The topic I chose was the water because I am an environmental engineer and I have some experience in the oil area, and I realized that in this field a lot of water is waste in the production process. I am going to speak about the use of water in the oil field. The first is water injection for oil recovery. This process involves injecting large quantities of water into wells to increase pressure and thus facilitate the extraction of oil that would otherwise be difficult to extract. The second is equipment cooling. Water is also used to cool pumps, pipelines, and other equipment that become hot during minimum of process operation. And three is hydrocarbon process and separation. In oil processing facilities, water is used to separate oil from unweighed components such as water and sediments. It is also used in the washing of crude oil to purify it. Now that we know the use that are made of water, we will identify the problem. And water in the oil field is a problem because of its excessive use and the pollution it generates. Oil extraction consumes large quantities of water, affecting local water resources, especially in areas of scarcity. In addition, oil activities produce wasted water contaminated with toxic chemicals that can damage nearby water bodies. Oil spills and saline water accumulation also pose threats to water quality and ecosystem. These jeopardize both access to water for contaminants and the environmental balance in the region. Now we will discuss the impact of this problem. The first is water contamination. During oil extraction, it is common for a large amount of wasted water to be generated, which may contain toxic substances, heavy metals, chemicals used in the drilling process, and other contaminants. These waters, if not properly treated, can contaminate nearby bodies of water, affecting the quality of water available for human and animal consumption and damaging aquatic ecosystem. The second is excessive water use. Many oil operations, especially extraction through hydraulic fracking, use large amounts of water. This can put pressure on local water resources, especially in regions where water is already scarce, affecting communities and agriculture. Three is impact of aquatic ecosystem and contamination of bodies of water near oil fields can affect aquatic flora and fauna. The introduction of chemical substances into rivers, lakes, or aquifers can alter local biodiversity and affect communities that depend on this ecosystem for their economic activities. And the last is spills and leaks. And although safety measures have improved in many areas, oil or chemical spill can cause significant damage to the environment, especially when they occur near water sources. This spill can contaminate ground and surface water, which can take years or even decades to remediate. Finally, I have no conclusion or recommendation because it will take time to study it, but I can talk about human response. And human response to oil field water intervention has generally been positive, especially when companies adopt sustainability practice. Communities and environmental groups often support initiatives that promote reduced water consumption, reuse, and proper wasted water treatment, as this approach protects local water resources, which are essential for human consumption and agriculture. In addition, improvements in operational efficiency and compliance with environmental regulations generate social trust and reduce tensions, while companies achieve long-term economic benefits and enhance their reputation. However, concerns can also arise if interventions are not sufficient or transparent, especially in water scarce regions.